1976 Chrysler Cordoba.
2007 Toyota Corolla.
The first car I owned was a 97 Jetta VR6.
I had a 1999 Chevy Tahoe. It had an LS in it.
1994 Acura Integra GSR.
1988 Chevy pickup.
Dodge Stratus.
Mark 6 GTI.
The first car I owned was a 1998 Ford Ranger 5-speed.
A 1995 Ford Taurus.
89 Eagle Premier V6.
1963 Chevy Corvair.
An adorable little teal Chevy S10.
I crank it to once the gasket makes contact with the block and then another quarter turn, then I start the car and check for leaks.
You're supposed to hand tighten it, right?
Hand tight. Like normally once the seal bottom's out, you do like a half turn, 3/4 turn.
This is really a question.
Hand tight.
Hand tight plus half a turn.
It's a cartridge filter on my car, so I would crank, there's a cap on top.
17 foot-pounds. It's plastic.
Not very tight, couple turns, just hand tight. Obviously, lubricate it, put it on, you're good.
Just hand tight.
Go hand tight plus that little amount that hurts your hand.
Hand tight, as hard as I can with my hand. Just really get into it.
I don't do that.
Hand tight plus 1 turn.
Dallas would be a cool name for a Corvette.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, the only one I named was my S14, but it was named Sylvia because it's called a Sylvia in Japan, so I don't know if that counts.
My 2008 Subaru WRX I called Millennium Falcon because I identify with the pirate smuggler.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, I like the name Bullet for BMW.
I have not.
Absolutely. My clubman is Marvin the Mini, and then my Cooper S is Amelia. So big brother, little sister, or big sister, little brother. Sorry.
Previous cars, sure. I don't remember their names. It's been a long time.
I haven't. That was a big thing, especially in my high school class. All my friends were like Sheila or Big Booty Judy and stuff.
No. I take that back. I named one car once. I had a Ford Focus and I named it Fred. Because Fred the Focus.
Well, the Gold Bombshell, my sister kind of named that one. It was like our family car that then kind of got passed through everybody.
Depends.
I speed up. I always speed up.
Depends on how far away I am and if there's a cop nearby.
Oh, speed up. Slow down.
It depends on how much I care about the car that I'm driving.
Depends on how close I am.
I'm so sorry.
To be honest, I try to maintain the exact speed that I'm at.
Is there a car in front of me?
Oh, I speed up.
You're lucky if I don't run the red light.
Usually yellow light, just stand on the throttle. Unless there's a really good reason to stop.
I speed up when the stoplight just turned red from yellow.
I don't know what those reasons are, but more often than not, I'm blowing through the yellows.
Oh, speed up.
I go, you gotta go. Places to be, things to do, so always speed up.
What does everybody else do? I'm not answering that.
Yes. Or off.
It doesn't really, but we think it does.
Oh my God, I do that all the time.
I do it, but I don't think it helps.
I think it helps with concentration.
Yeah, it allows me to focus more on what I'm actually doing instead of hearing loud noises and then trying to figure out where I'm going.
Yes, absolutely. I have to get my boundaries. I'm so lost sometimes. I'm like,
I think I do turn the radio down so I can just hyper focus.
I'm like, hey, can I turn this down so I can see better where I'm going?
Oh, I think I do that just subconsciously.
I want to answer this correctly, but for fear of repercussions, I'm going to say no comment.
I don't have a reason for it other than maybe it helps me think more.
Yes. but there's a science behind that. I can't have all this noise. I have too much anxiety, so yeah.
Yeah, wow, that's a very introspective question.
I am the tech ops manager.
I am the marketing photographer.
I am an R&D design engineer specifically for the BMW team.
Marketing, planning, social media, influencer, affiliate stuff.
I am the writer, editor, and social media manager.
I'm a data engineer.
I'm a wholesale sales representative.
I handle all of our tools catalog.
I'm in sourcing and purchasing currently.
I'm the Director of Business Intelligence and Analytics.
So I am the Director of Personalization.
I work in S&P.
Love it. Absolutely love it. I wake up every morning excited.
I like it. The people around me definitely help.
I like it here, and I like it for the people that I work with.
I love it. Honestly, it brought me up here from Nashville.
Selling aftermarket car parts is something I've always wanted to do. I love customizing cars, and this was a great opportunity to dive into that world and make some money while I do it. So it's been a great win-win.
It's fun getting to do something that I love or that's a passion of mine.
Everyone's really friendly, and then it's just a big car community basically. So you can, if you've ever been in a car community, you know, like people are very open and welcoming to all the diversities everyone has. So
Being able to come to work, talk about cars, and see all the cool things that we get to do here makes this enjoyable.
It's really cool to see just how involved everybody is sort of in the community or in the scene.
I love working at ECS. I'm working on cars, which I love. I've been building cars and tinkering with cars since I was 15 with the Corvair. And so to finally be in a place where my entire job is just to design cool stuff for cars and be around cars every day and other people who like cars, and like it's my dream job right now, so couldn't ask for anything better.
I think it probably has always been the people. I think we have really awesome coworkers and a lot of people that really care about each other and really work hard. And
It's been, honestly, it's been one of the better experiences in my life.